5th, only on Amazon Prime Video.
Amazon, that too on Amazon, such
Yes.
a platform. We're all thrilled to be a part of it and waiting as audience to watch it now.
Wow. And now coming to the new entrance to Drishyam family. కొత్తగా ఈ ఫ్యామిలీలో జాయిన్ అయిన ఇద్దరు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. సంపత్ గారు, will start with you. So what made you to say yes to this role?
I don't think anybody will say no to this role first. Most importantly, I would like to say is I believe in when you ask something with the universe and it conspires to get you. Jitu, when I first saw Drishyam in theatre in Chennai, in Satyam, I told somebody who I was watching with, saying that 100% this movie will have a sequel. I believed in it. And I also said that somewhere, somehow, I want to be part of it, if at all it happens, whenever it happens. And it did happen when I got a call from you and Suresh Productions. So, yes, that's something that I wanted to say. And working with Jitu was a very different experience because in this movie, I'm not at all shouting, which I usually have done in most of my films. Right. So it's a very different way of acting that Jitu brought out. And what I also liked about Jitu is when something is not right, he would say it to you. And when something is beautiful, he'll also appreciate then and there. That's what I loved about Jitu and working with him. And of course, the day when me and Venkatesh Babu had a shot, it was a long shot. And I was just dumbstruck because Venkatesh Garu came and just did it in one take. And in fact, when everybody said it's okay and Jitu came, saw it and said okay, I think Venkatesh was not sure. He wanted to see, can we do one more? So Jitu said, no, perfect. It's just perfect. So I guess everything fell in place, like what Naresh was saying, is we all got together. We've been part of a fantastic project, and I trust and believe that the audience across the globe will love this film, not only for its making and its storytelling, but because of its intelligence that goes with it. So many more cinemas, and as Madam said, for 3, 4, 5, and 6, I hope I'm part of it. Thank you.
Super. So 3, 4, 5, Sampath Garu must be there. So he already told it. So yeah, thank you. And coming to Suja. So inta mandi star cast, inta manchi movie, which everybody connected. So ee cinema lo meer kuda oka part. How it happened?
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నాకు వచ్చి చాలా ఎగ్జైటెడ్గా ఉంది నవంబర్ 25th ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందో అని. మీరు అడిగారు ఎంత లక్కీ అంటే నేను చాలా లక్కీ అండి. బికాజ్ ఈ ఫిలిం నాకు వచ్చి నేను ఎలా అనుకుంటున్నానంటే గాడ్స్ గిఫ్ట్. అది ఏ రూపంలో వచ్చిందంటే మిస్టర్ రాజ్ కుమార్ సార్ అండ్ శ్రీప్రియ మ్యామ్ వాళ్ళ మూలంగా నాకు వచ్చింది. నేను అది కరెక్ట్గా గ్రాప్ చేసుకున్నాను. బట్ ఈ ఫిలింలో నాకు నిజంగా మంచి స్పేస్ ఇచ్చారు, మంచి ఫ్రీడమ్ ఇచ్చారు వెంకీ సార్ అండ్ మీనా మ్యామ్. సో నాకు పర్ఫామ్ చేసేదానికి మంచి అవకాశం దొరికింది. సో థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీబడి ఇన్ దిస్ ఫిలిం.
సూపర్.
స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు మై డైరెక్టర్ జీతు సార్. ఆయన లేదంటే ఈ మూవీలో నేను ఏం చేస్తుంటే నాకు తెలీదు. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ నాకు వచ్చి దగ్గరికి వచ్చి అన్నీ నేర్పించారండి. సో అదే నేను ఫాలో అయ్యాను టోటల్గా.
వావ్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ సో పేషెంట్. అంటే తెలుగు మీడియా పీపుల్ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి సార్. ఒక్కొక్క క్వశ్చన్ టు ఈచ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ యూ. సో
అడగండమ్మా.
యా. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అగైన్ ఫర్ యూ ఓన్లీ. సో హౌ డిఫరెంట్ వాజ్ ద ప్రాసెస్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫస్ట్ దృశ్యం?
ప్రాసెస్
యా.
ప్రాసెస్ యాక్చువల్లీ సెట్కి వెళ్ళగానే రాంబాబు వచ్చేస్తాడమ్మా. దట్ ఈస్ ద బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ దిస్ క్యారెక్టర్ రాంబాబు. బికాజ్ అండ్ వెన్ హీస్ విత్ హిస్ ఫ్యామిలీ, దట్స్ ఇట్, హీ బికమ్స్ దట్ ఫ్యామిలీ మ్యాన్. అండ్ he'll do what he has to do for them. And this time he knows he's in a bigger problem, so he's even more cautious, but he's even more clever, he's even more smart, he's more intelligent, he's one step ahead from anybody who's investigating. So that way it's a great character to think. And of course the original which was played by one of the most respected actors in our Indian film industry, Mr. Mohanlal. I have great regards. And he did such an outstanding job. The other day, I mean, sometime back I met him and he said, "How did it go?" I said, "Mohan, I just watched you, so it's, I can follow a lot what you've done." So Mohanlal gave some outstanding expressions in this film, which I was really stunned, and I took it up as a challenge. These are some scenes which I will never ever get to do in other scripts, and so those scenes were so close to my heart. And with Jeetu there and the thing, we really designed them so well, and they've come out really well. So that way, I think, and we did it in a single schedule during the COVID times. So we were all in a small town, and everybody was so involved, and the whole team was so charged up to do this film. So I think everybody got into their characters very fast, and I think it was very smooth, and I just enjoyed the film. Yeah.
Super. So Rodkin from Deccan Herald, I think you got your answer. So he joined us virtually, sir, in this event. Yeah, so
Okay.
this question is from him. And now the second question to Jeetu Joseph Garu from Rajshekhar, freelancer, again, who joined virtually in this event. Yes. So what are the changes you have done in Drishyam 2 from the Malayalam version?
To be frank, there isn't any major changes because it is structured in such a way that we can't alter. I mean, you can take away any scene or you can add just like that, okay. But since the original is it's a Malayalam movie, and now this is a Telugu movie, so definitely the cultural aspects are there that we have to consider. So that kind of changes, we have already maybe made some changes regarding that culture from the cultural aspect. And of course, 3-4 scenes actually, it was there in Malayalam, but we changed the premise and we changed the structure of the scene. Okay. Other than that, we can't change much. Then the presentation style, in that area we have made small changes. There isn't any major changes.
Okay.
If we go for that kind of changes, it will seriously affect that film.
Right. So చిన్న చేంజెస్ అకార్డింగ్ ఇక్కడ ఆడియన్స్ తగ్గట్టు తప్ప పెద్ద చేంజెస్ అంటూ ఏమీ లేవని చెప్తున్నారు. అండ్ ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. అండ్ నౌ అగైన్ జీతు సార్ ఫర్ యూ ఓన్లీ ఫ్రమ్ తెలుగు మీడియా. సో మలయాళం అండ్ తెలుగు ఆర్ వెరీ డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్ దే కల్చర్స్ అండ్ నేటివిటీస్. సో హౌ ఛాలెంజింగ్ వాజ్ ఇట్ టు అడాప్ట్ ఇట్ ఫర్ ద తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్?
For me, it was not a challenge at all because Suresh Garu sir was there, writer Ramesh was there. They all fed me with, they all helped me. They told me what all changes need to be done. This is how it is here. So I got a good help from Ramesh and Suresh sir and Suresh. There's a lot of people, Nanaji, there's so many people who were there. So thanks to them. So actually, it was not a very big burden for me. Thanks to Suresh sir and Ramesh.
Super. Thank you. And next question is to Meena Garu from RK Gemini TV. How difficult was it for you to adopt to Telugu diction?
Okay. Diction, it wasn't as bad or difficult as I thought. ఎందుకంటే నాకు ఇనిషియలీ ఐ థాట్ చేసేద్దాం, మనకు తెలుగు బాగా తెలుసు కదా, బాగా వచ్చు కదా, చేసేద్దాం డబ్బింగ్ అని అనుకున్నాను. బట్ నేను అక్కడ షూటింగ్లో ఎలా మాట్లాడానో సేమ్ అలాగే డబ్బింగ్లో మాట్లాడాను. బట్ దెన్ ఐ కేమ్ టు నో ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఏ వర్డ్స్ స్ట్రెస్ చేయాలి, ఎక్కడ మనం మోర్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ దేనికి ఇవ్వాలి, ఇవన్నీ కొంచెం డిక్షన్ కరెక్షన్స్ కొంచెం చేసినప్పుడు నేను కొంచెం నేర్చుకున్నాను. బట్ ఇట్ వాజంట్ దట్ డిఫికల్ట్ ఫర్ మీ.
Okay.
It wasn't so bad. So hopefully I guess it's come out good.
సూపర్. ఎలాగో మీకు చాలా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కూడా ఉంది కదా తెలుగు సినిమాల్లో చేసిన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఓవర్ ఇయర్స్. యా, సూపర్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. అండ్ నౌ ఇట్స్ ఫర్ రాజ్ కుమార్ సేతుపతి గారు ఫ్రమ్ రాజేష్ రాగలహరి నుంచి అడుగుతున్నారు. నౌ దట్ థియేటర్స్ ఆర్ ఓపెనింగ్ అప్, బట్ స్టిల్ వై యు ఆర్ రిలీజింగ్ దిస్ ఫిలిం ఇన్ అన్ OTT ప్లాట్ఫామ్?
Well, as I told before, it's today people to come I mean, to the theaters is not really possible. So it's best we can reach so many worldwide at the same time. I think that is today we see so many movies in COVID times. We were seeing so many movies, though we are not going to the theaters, we are seeing the best of movies. So we thought, I mean, though we like to put it to the theater, but it was not possible. We waited a few months. Like Suresh Babu Garu was insisting we should go to the theaters. We were all with him. But somehow other, theaters were not opening, and the second wave was very bad. So finally we had to take a call, because such a good movie we don't want to hold. After working all these people work, we finished the movie in 42 days in the COVID times. And thanks to the team, without Jitu Joseph Garu and Venkatesh cooperation, that wouldn't have happened. So after we started the movie in April, finished in June, July, we were ready with the movie. But we were waiting, but it was not happening. So we thought this is the best way to come to the people all over the world. As you know, it is going to come in so many hundreds of countries.
Yes.
So, and it's a family movie.
Right.
And the real hero, the family man, they expect so much from him. And Venkatesh, I know him. We are in the 80s group. We keep meeting him. So this was the best. One person I like to thank now is the story came to me when the movie was in making. I was producing a movie here called Malini. My wife was directing. I had line producer Suresh Balaji and George Pius. So we came back from the shooting. We were just having a chat and dinner. He started telling me the story because he is very close to Mr. George Pius. I mean, I'm not a real producer or something. This was when the movie was making. I said, what a movie, what story. Then the day the picture released, he called me. Rajkumar, I told you the story about this movie. I said, yes, what happened? It released today. I said, how's the response? He said, it's okay. You are interested in buying the rights? I said, okay, tell me. He said, you want which language? I said, Tamil, Telugu, definitely. He said, buy everything. Buy Hindi, all North Indian. I said, one price. They agreed for the price. But they said, we want the check today evening. I said, okay. I sent the check blindly. I've not seen the movie. With the belief what he told me the story, I got interested in that, and that's the way it came to me. Then the rest is history.
Wow.
So thanks to the George and Suresh Balaji.
And thanks to you again for bringing Drishyam 2 in Telugu. Thank you. And now the question is from Eenadu Television to Esther. So Rajesh is asking this. Who was the most fun on sets? Among all these? Among all these.
I thought there was a comparison between that uncle or Mickey uncle. Okay. Fun.
Yeah.
Jeetu uncle. Because I've known him for so many years now. So I really don't want to bring this up, but his daughter and I, we went to the same school. So I also know him as her daddy. So we know what's happening there also. So these things keep coming up. We keep teasing each other. So there's this teasing and fun going on always.
Okay.
So that's there, but obviously Venky uncle and Meena auntie, and Meena auntie keeps ordering food some days, so we have fun like that also. So yeah, totally, it was everyone's fun working with.
Okay, I thought you would say first name Venki sirs, but unexpected, Jeetu sir name came up. Thank you, Esther. And now the question for Sampath Garu. Prajashakti nunchi Murali garu adugutunnaru question. Can you tell us what kind of preparation did you have to do for your character in this film?
Yeah, the first thumb rule that Jeetu came up and told me is, he said, you will just be the way you are, that I see you now. That's all. Just be that. So that was my preparation from there to the...
మీరు ఎలా ఉంటారో అలాగే ఉన్నారు. That's
yeah,
it.
that's all. That's all he wanted. He said, just the way you are. That I just met you now. This is the way I want you to be. I said, okay. I was happy.
Yes, as simple as it is.
Yeah, thank you.
చాలా చిన్న ప్రిపరేషన్ ఏం లేదు, ఆయన ఎలా ఉన్నారో అలా ఉన్నారు అంతే, దట్స్ ఇట్. సో ఎలా ఉన్నారు అన్నది 25th అమెజాన్ ప్రైమ్ వీడియోలో దృశ్యం 2లో చూసేయండి. అండ్ ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నరేష్ గారు మీకే ఫ్రమ్ TV5. యూ హ్యావ్ యాక్టెడ్ ఇన్ వెరైటీ ఆఫ్ ఫిల్మ్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ కెరీర్. వాట్ మేక్స్ దృశ్యం వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ థ్రిల్లర్స్ ఆఫ్ కరెంట్ టైమ్స్?
See, if it's about my character, I'll tell you, when Supriyaka was directing it, Actually, she proposed my character for that. I should thank her for her. Appadaka, it was almost one genre of films I was doing. Mostly, The Light of N or A Father, something. Because the climax was such a powerful climax, and facing, direct Venkatesh, me. So there was a debate whether Naresh can carry it or not. And this was 6 years back.
6 years back, yes.
Now, they decided, and I should thank her also, that Naresh should do it, and they were sure. And I remember we sat and, sort of not rehearsed, but we went through the scene. That's a beautiful experience. I can never forget it, that evening. And when we saw that in the theater, then I knew my life changed. My characterization changed. Now I'm doing different genres, gamut of characters. So I thank Akka for that, Venkatesh Babu, all the producers, Raj, Suresh Babu, and all that. Again, then see, always I say, for a character actor, okka manchi scene, oka film lo, that should carry.
Yeah.
And that one scene was the last shot I said when I shot with the heroine, the director. It was such a beautiful scene. I felt happy. Malli okkasari inta beautiful film lo inta manchi scene chesam. So this film actually was a game changer for me as a character actor. I can say that.
Super answer. Thank you. And that brings us to the end of this event. Thank you so much, Prati Okkalki.
Thank you so much.
And it's so pleasure to share this stage with you all today. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you all for coming.
Thank you very much.
And it's coming on 25th.
Yes.
25th November on Amazon Prime. So let's go watch it and give me your feedback, okay? Thank you so much. And I have to
Yes.
thank Jitu Farhad, your associate Farhad, right? I have to thank Arfaz, okay? He's the direction department. He was outstanding during the COVID time. I mean, the way he organized the schedules. Thank you so much, Arfaz. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, one and all. Thank you. And guys, mark your calendar for the release of this super exciting thriller family drama, Drishyam 2, on November 25th, only on Amazon Prime Video. So this is releasing across 240 countries and territories, exclusively on Amazon Prime Video on 25th November 2021 onwards. So stay tuned. Thank you. Thank you. Good night. Thank you.
Good night. Good night, everybody.
Thank you. Good night.
And a small note, you will receive a thank you mail along with the download press link.